Hello and welcome to the channel. Today in this video we'll draw this model from studycadcam site. We'll draw this model as a way to practice drawing in FreeCAD. So here we'll use these dimensions here to create this part here. Okay, and if you want this drawing here, you can download it in the site here or in my GrabCAD site. If you like the content I have been producing, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to donate to the channel, you can do so accessing Ko-fi site. Link to this page can be found on the description of this video. Thank you. And here we create a new document, and now here select part design workbench and create body and a new sketch in XY plane. In this sketch here, we'll draw a sketch for this. We'll draw this sketch here. So we come back here, and what we'll draw first will be two construction lines. So here we'll select this polyline tool, and now we draw a line here, clicking this origin point, and now this line here, and now we select these two lines, okay, and clicking this icon, and now we change these lines here, and now we select this merge constraint, and we set these 2 points merge to this vertical line. Okay, and now we'll set the dimension of these lines here. So as you can see here, we have a range of 100 foot for this arc here. So this dimension here will be the length of this line here. So we select this constraint here, and we set 100 foot for these two lines. Okay, and here we see this angle here, 60 degrees for this line here. So we select this angle constraint and we set 60 for this. Okay, you will select this line, and now this line here. Okay, we select this line and this line here, and we set 60 degrees. Okay, and now we hide these constraints, and next here we'll draw these arcs. Okay, so first we select this arc tool and we draw these arcs. Okay, and now here we'll set tangent constraints here. So we select this constraint here and we set all of these arcs tangent. And now here we'll set equal constraints. So as you can see, these three arcs here, this arc and this arc here are equal, and these four arcs here will set equal constraints. So we select first here, we select these three arcs and we set equal constraints, and now we select these four arcs and we set equal constraints. Okay, and now we select this line tool and we draw a line here in these points. Okay, and now select this horizontal distance tool and select this origin point, and now this center point here, and here we'll set a distance of 100 foot. Okay, and now select this symmetric constraint and we set these 2 points symmetric to this vertical line, and now we have 2 degrees of freedom. So here we'll set the radius of these arcs here. So we select this constraint and now this arc, and the radius here we'll set 36, and for this arc here we'll set 76. Okay, and now we'll leave this sketch and press on. Now select this pad tool here and we change length here to 20 millimeters, this dimension here, and okay. And now here we go to model and select this pad and go to mirror tool and change the plane here to axis plane. Okay, so now we get this part, and now click OK. And what we'll do next we'll create this cylinder here with a diameter of 152 and this length here 6. So here we go to additive features and we select this additive cylinder, and And next select this face here, change the height to 6 millimeters, and the radius here will be the half of 152, and now click OK. So as you can see, now we have this part here, and now we'll do the chamfer operation here with a size of 1.5. so we select this edge and go to the chamfer tool, and we set 1.5 for the size, and OK. So now we have this, and next here we'll create these walls here, this wall here. So what we'll do here, we create a new sketch. This sketch here will create in axis plane. Okay, and now here press home, and what we'll do here, select this tool here, external jump tool, and extract this edge here. So here we get the center point here. So now switch to section view and go to this front view. Okay, and here we'll draw a construction line here. So select this line tool and draw this vertical line. And now we set this line here to a construction line. Okay, and we constrain this point here in this line. So select this constraint here. And next here we'll draw a section for this wall here. So we select this polyline tool, click on this vertical line and draw this, and now this. Okay, and next here we'll set the horizontal distance. So we select this horizontal distance tool, and for this wall here we see a diameter of 22. So for this line here we'll set 11. Okay, and for this wall here we have a diameter of 10. So the distance between this point to this point here will set 5 millimeters. Okay, and for this wall here we have a diameter of 35. So for this line here we'll set the alpha of 35. Okay, and next here we'll set the vertical dimensions here. So first we hide these constraints here, and now we select this vertical distance tool, and here we see 2 millimeters for this wall here. So for this line here we set 2 millimeters. Okay, and for this wall here we have 5 millimeters. So we select this line and we set 5. Okay, and now we hide these constraints here, and next we select this horizontal constraint here and select this point, and now this point here, and now we select this point and this origin point. Okay, so now we have 2 degrees of freedom of this line here. So now we leave this sketch here and we go to the groove tool. Okay, and what we do here we change the axis to construction line 1, and now we set OK, and we go to model and we select this groove operation here, and we go to the polar pattern tool, and here we change the axis to Z axis. Okay, and we change the number of occurrence to 6 and enter. Okay, so now as you can see we have these walls here. And next here we'll create this part. Okay, so what we'll do here we go to additive tools and we select this additive cylinder, and we select this face here and we set inertial CS. Okay, and we change the radius here to the half of this dimension here. So here we set this formula, and here we'll change the height to, we'll set a formula. Here we'll set 150 minus 20. Okay, minus this dimension here, and now we set OK. Okay, so next here we go again to these additive features, and here we select additive sphere. Okay, and we select this face here, and we change the radius to 100. Okay, and here we get this, and now we set okay. And next here we'll create these fillets. This fillet with a radius of 45 and this with a radius of 25. So here we select this edge here and we go to the fillet tool and we change the radius to 45 and okay. And now we select this edge here and we go to the fillet tool and we change the radius here to 25. Okay, so now we have this. And what we'll do next here we'll create this pocket here. Okay, so here we create a new sketch in YZ plane. Okay, and we switch to section view and here we select this arc tool and here we draw this arc. Now we select this tangent constraint and make this arc tangent. Okay, and now we set submerged constraints here. So we select this point and this point here and now this line. Okay, and now we select this centered rectangle tool and click in this vertical line and now in this point here. And now we delete this line and we set constant for these 2 points. Okay, and next here we'll set the dimension of these arcs and the distance here. So first here we select this constraint here and for this arc we'll set a radius of 6. Okay, and for these 2 arcs here we'll set a radius of 8. Okay, and we set these 2 arcs equal. Okay, and now we have to set the distance here between this center point to this point here. So we select this vertical distance tool and now this point here and this point. And here we'll set a distance of 150. Okay, and as you can see here we have a distance, okay, between this center point to this origin point. So we select the center point here and now this point and here we'll set 182. Okay, and okay, here we set constant. Okay, and next here we can leave the sketch. So we leave the sketch and we go to the pocket tool. We set the type to toggle and smart to plane and now click OK. So as you can see now we have this pocket here. Okay, and next here we'll create this pocket here. So what we'll do here we create a new sketch in XZ plane. Okay, switch to section view and now here select this line tool and select this polyline tool. Okay, here we draw this vertical line and now this horizontal line and now this line here and press M 3 times and get this arc here and now click in this point. Okay, and next here we constrain this point in this line here. So select this constraint here. Okay, and now we'll set the dimension of the sketch here. So first here we'll select this constraint here and we set the radius of this arc here to 8 millimeters. Okay, and now we set the vertical distance here to, we'll set 150. Okay, and next we leave the sketch and we go to the groove tool and here we set OK. And next here we create a new sketch in YZ plane. Okay, switch to section view and here we select this slot tool and we draw this slot. And now select this arc tool and click on this vertical line and draw this arc here. And now we trim these lines. Okay, and delete this arc here. And this line here we set vertical. Okay, so now we have 4 degrees of freedom. So here we'll select this vertical distance tool, and now we select this origin point and this point here, and we set 150. Okay, and now we set the radius of this arc here to 60 millimeters. Okay, and now we have to constrain this line here, this arc here. Okay, so let's see the distance here. Okay, we don't have the radius of this arc here, so okay, here let's try to set, okay, here I'll set the 9. Okay, and now we have to constrain this point here. So okay, here we select this external jump tool and we extract this edge here. Okay, hide these constraints here, and what we'll do here, we'll create a point in this arc. Okay, and now we set this constant. Okay, and now we'll leave this sketch, and here we'll change the attachment of this sketch here. So we go to model and select this sketch here, and now right click on mouse and go to attachment editor, and here we'll change the value of the Z duration to the half of this dimension here will be 7. And okay, now we select this pad tool, and here we can set a length of 10 millimeters. It's okay, so click OK, and now here we mirror this part, and here we select YZ plane. Okay, so now click OK, and what we'll do next we'll draw a section for this wall here. So here we create a new sketch, here in YZ plane. Okay, and next here press home, and what we'll do here we'll extract this edge, and as you can see here we have the center point here. So here we come back to front view, and now we switch to section view, and we draw a line here. Select this line tool and draw this horizontal line, and now we constrain this line to this point here. Okay, and we change this line here to constraint line. Okay, and next select this polyline tool, and what we'll do now we'll draw a section here. So we draw this sketch. Okay, and next here we'll set the vertical dimensions here. So we select this vertical distance tool. Okay, and for this wall here we have a diameter of 22, so the distance here will set 11. Okay, and the length of this line here will set the half of this dimension here, 36. Okay, and the length of this line here will set the half of 49. Okay, so now we hide these constraints here, and now we'll set the horizontal distance. So we select this horizontal distance tool, and for this line here, okay, here we see these dimensions here. So what we'll do here we'll constrain this point here in this line. Okay, and now select this horizontal distance, so select this point here, and now select this point, and here we'll set the length of 73. Okay, and next we select this point here. Okay, and here we'll set 91. Okay, so here we drag these constraints here, delete this, okay, and drag this point here, and now select this constraint here, now these 2 points, and here we'll set 73. Okay, and now it's okay. So for this line here we can set 10 millimeters and these 10, and now here we'll leave the sketch and we go to the groove tool, and here we change the axis to construction line 1 and we set OK. Okay, and now we go to model and we mirror this operation here. Okay, and now set OK. Okay, and next here what we'll do, next here we'll create these pockets here. So here we go to the subtractive tools and we select this subtractive cylinder, and now we select this face here and we set inertial CS, and here we change the radius to the half of this dimension here, so here we'll set 6, and we change the height here to 6 millimeters and OK. And now we go to this tool again and we select this face here, we set inertial CS, and we change the radius to the half of this dimension here, 64, and we set the height to 49 and OK. And now we select this tool again, and now we select this face here, we set inertial CS, and we change the radius here to the half of this dimension here, 85, and here we'll set a length of 100. Okay, so now we press OK, and as you can see we got these walls. Okay, and as you can see we finished the design of this model. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please leave a like. Okay, thank you.